Hey guys, so today I'm going to walk you through Agentforce CRM's software called Send, and it basically allows you to send unlimited text messages, even image messages for free, essentially through your Android app's phone's SIM card. So most of us know that our SIM cards have, unlimited text messaging, which allow you to send it through the software. And we're also going to give you a link in an email where you can actually purchase a SIM card and get $15 credit. So make sure you keep your eyes on that email that we're going to be sending to you. So when you sign up with our program, our CRM, you're going to get all the software emailed to you as far as logins. And you're also going to get it in your dashboard. You're going to get a file that allows you to download that file and has all your logins to your software. But one thing I want to show you is once you get your email from the Send software, you're going to see it's going to give you the option to scan this QR code. So you could technically just go ahead and scan it with your mobile device and it'll automatically log you into the software, which we highly recommend. It makes it easy for you to be able to log in through your mobile device. Now, once you do this, your mobile device is going to be actually linked to the software and it's going to register your SIM card. It does everything for you. So at that point, you can check and see if you want to send it. As some phones have the option for dual SIM cards, which we highly recommend. If you do have an Android phone that has a dual SIM card, it's going to help you out to keep your day-to-day business separate, which we recommend from your text messaging. So that's really a cool feature. And if you're an Apple user, it's highly to your advantage to just purchase like a $50, Android device to be able to use this software because it's going to save you thousands of dollars if you're doing text messages in bulk or sending out, or if you get one of our farm lists to send out bulk text messages to homeowners and prospects. You want to have something like this because typically you're going to spend a lot of money through text messages if you're doing bulk text messages through any platform. So this is something we came up with to be able to give you guys an advantage to be able to do prospecting and marketing, but not cost you a lot of money. So where are you going to find your login? You can see it right here. You can just click on this, or we can also jump into the CRM and we'll show you exactly where it's at located in the CRM as well. So once you're logged into the CRM, if you hover over to software, you're going to see all the software that you have access to right here. You're going to click on send and it'll take you to the login. So now we already have it pre-logged in, but if not, it'll also give you this option even when you log in through desktop to go ahead and connect your phone. So all you have to do is scan this QR code and it'll link your phone and the SIM card to your account so you can start sending text messages. And you can send all these text messages either from your phone, uploading the CSV from your phone on the go, or you can do everything from the dashboard. So as you'll see right here, once you log into the application on your mobile device, you'll see right here that has download the app. So if you don't have this set up on your actual mobile device, it'll give you the app so you can go ahead and download it. Okay, so it'll log you in through a browser and you can download the app so you can have it on your phone. So also there's the Android market doesn't allow this type of software no matter what because it's bulk sending. It's some way saving you money, right? And they really don't like these type of softwares. So this application will be an APK file, which will allow you to download it onto your Android device. It'll always give you like a notification of something like, do you want to download this because it's a APK file. You just have to press yes and it'll automatically download it. There's a guide in your email that'll show you how to authorize APK files to be installed on your Android device. You can see that in the email as well. There's a whole article about that. It's really easy. Go through settings. So once you're logged into your account, if you go over here to devices, it'll show you if you want to add a device, you can just scan it, click on there to scan it. You can remove it. You have one device with your account, which is really all you need. If you had a team and you had 4 or 5 people who were doing it, that would be different. You'd be able to select from different SIM cards that you're sending from. And if you need to upgrade and do that, you can just email us and we'll set up a plan for you. But typically one device would be good for any agent, even a brokerage, realistically. So once you've added your device, you can see your profile here if you need to update your password or anything. You will also see right here a delay between messages. So highly recommend to leave this as it is. send received emails to you. If you want to get any emails, notifications, just click this right here. And the sleep time is very important. Set it up based on what market you're in, when you want text messages not to go out, and so on and so forth. And this will just protect you from that and make sure that doesn't happen. So you can read all through the different stuff. If you have auto failed, you get a notification. So that's your profile. Talked about devices, if blacklisting, if there's certain stuff that that you want to blacklist, you can actually add those numbers here as well. If you get spammed for whatever reason, and templates. So creating a template's really easy. What it's going to be is for example, you can put like this buyer, for example, buyer. Okay. Oh, I accidentally did that. And you might put buyer and your buyer message, right? Okay. So this right here will give you how many words you can put and everything like that. Let's just say this was your buyer message. Now, the cool part about that is that now you have this pre-built, so you don't have to worry about creating the message every time you're going to send it. You can take actually the messages that we have in our CRM and copy them over into here as well to make it easier for you in your marketing, because we have a lot of stuff pre-built that you would actually just be able to copy over and use it for your buyers and sellers. So templates are just going to make it easy for you to send, not have to be typing all the time, or on your phone, or the keyboard. Contacts. You can just upload your contact list. You want to create a name for them. So it would be, for example, buyers, and we'll create that contact list. Now you can go ahead and import. Okay, you can import. You can add a single contact. If you just have somebody on the phone, you want to add them. You can also import contacts through here. So you can do that. You can drag and drop the CSV file. In this case, it's going to show us an XLSX file. And you can just click right here to download it and see how it looks as a demo. And then after that, you're just going to basically import those contacts into what contact list you want to do that. Okay, and you can add devices, schedule, all that good stuff, what template you want to send out. So once you upload this contact list, you can just go ahead and send it out right now if you're trying to send that message out. Okay. And right here, you can add unsubscribe link as well to your message to be compliance with guidelines. Right here, you're going to see all the messages that are coming in, okay, and messages that are going out. In your sender, you're going to be able to see, devices, the numbers. You can schedule, prioritize SMS, or you can do MMS if it's an image, and go ahead and do that as well. So just makes it really easy for you to send it. If you're doing, for example, a few messages, you'd probably do it through here. If you're doing, the bulk messaging, you're going to probably want to go ahead and do it through here for the contact one. So you can, use this right here to send, a larger list. Okay. And so we'll go to here to sender. The USSD, you can read the description on it in the training more in detail. But you will probably not be using this at all. It's more, a little bit more sophisticated as far as the usage of it, and you're really not going to use it in real estate marketing. This is more in-depth marketing practices that you might use it. Autoresponder, really powerful, and make sure you want to set this up for buyers. You can have them say, hey, text back the word buyer to get XYZ, or seller to get XYZ. And so if you're doing mass marketing and somebody texts back buyer, they're interested in the offer that you sent, right? So this is very important for you to be able to do that. If you're in a software engineer, which you're probably not, if you're in real estate, you can use our API to connect it to your different tools that you're using. But obviously, we provide everything for you, so you don't have to ever worry about that. So the subscription, just show you that we gave you this account. It didn't cost you anything, so there's your subscription. You can kind of just take a glance at it. And other than that, your dashboard is going to give you just the overall view of available credits. We gave you 10 million. Should be enough, right? Yours will say lifetime for your account. This is just 1 year, the demo. and you'll be able to see what's pending getting sent, what's scheduled, what's in the queue, what's been sent, what's been delivered, what's failed, what's been received back into you. So you can just click on it and go check, respond to them. And then, so that's pretty much it. So hopefully it wasn't too fast of explaining it to you, but in general, it's a pretty easy, simple application to use. If you do have any questions or you get any hiccups, go ahead and reach out to us through our support, and we'll go ahead and get you, those questions answered. But until the next video, we'll talk to you then.